Okay guys, what is up? I am on my way into work now, but we better go get gas first, because last night was out just a little late, going to Mexico here and there. It was quite a long trip. Gosh, I love that sound so much. And that's also the reason why I need to go to the gas station all the time. So last night, Dylan and I got to drive around with a guy that Dylan knows, named David, and he was driving a yellow Lamborghini Gallardo. And so that was awesome. And David, thanks so much for coming out and for taking the time to be with us for photos and videos. That was so much fun. We met a lot of awesome people, and like I said, we went to Mexico a few times with a few of them. So if you saw us last night, thank you so much for making the evening awesome, and thank you guys so much for all the support on the channel. It's really awesome seeing people come up to my car and come up to me, asking about Homeland horsepower. It's really something awesome, so it was really nice to meet all of you guys last night. Alrighty guys, I got to thinking, what do you guys want to see us do on Homeland horsepower? As much as I would love to go and do burnouts every single day we go to film, tires cost a lot of money. I've got a few things in the works right now for the car as is, so things ain't cheap. But what do you guys want to see us do? We are open to ideas. We have a full series, actually we have 2 full series that are going to be going. So we're not running out of content ideas already, don't worry. But we're just curious as to what you guys would love to see on the channel, and feel free to either DM us or just leave it in the comments. So because Dylan and I got so distracted last night with all the cars and meeting all the awesome people, we forgot to film like the majority of it. So I apologize for that. However, I did film a few things. As I mentioned before, we met up with David with the Lamborghini, and I got some pretty decent footage of that, so I will roll that for you guys here in a second. And on that note, guys, I